Hey everyone on YouTube, it's me Ice, and today I wanted to do my makeup. Felt like attempting to do a nice nude look. Beautiful neutral eye. I know, you know guys, if you're on my channel, that I love Huda Beauty, I love glitter, I love sparkle, I love colors. But I've been seeing a lot of the girls, I guess when you know, get a little mature, they have this nude look. So I want to attempt it, and I'm going to use the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes palette because that palette is utter perfection. It is what you need. It is stunning. Again, please don't mind this bump. It's going away slowly. I went ahead and prepped my face with the MAC Prep and Prime from, like, I think they had that little Renaissance thing. Their palette sold out. I wanted to buy it, but I prepped my face with this. Now I'm gonna use my favorite, I always use the Too Faced lip injections. They're my favorite. I'm gonna use this one. I feel like this one doesn't work, so I'm just gonna put that to the side. I don't know, I don't feel it working, so I'm just gonna put the Maximum Plump. Of course, you guys know I like to use the Too Faced Eye Insurance and the Smashbox Vita Glow. This is amazing, you guys. I saw Arnell use this and I was like, hey, I have a sample of this. Like, what is it? Guys, this will make you glow. I am not kidding. You'll see when I do my makeup. Okay guys, so I prepped everything, and of course you guys know that I love combining the old version of the Huda Beauty Fox Filter Foundation with the Glowish by Huda Beauty, the multi-do one. This together is magic. I'm almost out of this, but I have a backup of the old one, so I like to put like, yeah, I'm almost out of this, so I'll just put like a pump and a half. I don't know if I have any left. And then just one pump of the multi-do, just mix it in there, and then I mix it together and get it all over my face. Now I'm gonna use the LA Girl Cosmetics. You guys know I love this. I've been using this forever. So I'm just gonna put it around my corners. Okay, so I'm just gonna let that be and let it dry for around 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so everything's pretty much concealed, and right now I'm gonna go ahead and use the Beauty Blender. What is this? Bounce Airbrush Liquid Whip Concealer. I haven't gone to Sephora in so long. I need to go to Sephora. I have my cart filled online. I don't know why. I haven't left the house, to be honest with you. Alright, so I got that down. Now I'm gonna go into my Huda Beauty powder. It's like baking setting powder. Okay, you guys, you see that nice smoky eye? This is why I love this matte palette. I can't tell what number this is. Is it matte 8? I can't tell, but this is the one I'm using. I want to do a look that's smoky and neutral. I feel like this is perfect. And you know, I get so tempted to mess with other colors, but I'm like, I don't want to. I want to accomplish that beautiful smoky eye that's really simple that a lot of girls are doing. Because, you know me, I'm a Huda Beauty fan, so I love colors, I love sparkles, but I'm like, I want to try something just neutral. And as you can see, it's really, really neutral and very pretty. This is why I love this palette so much. Like, you could travel with it. And the brush I'm using, by the way, is from Maven Beauty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, do it over here as well. This is so pretty. Like, I don't know how I feel about it. It's pretty. It's nice if you're like going on a date, if you ask me. But you know me, I'm a Huda Beauty girl. I'm loving the intergalactic colors. I like sparkle. I'm gonna brighten up my eyebrow, so I'm just gonna use, I think Map 3 is what they call it. I'm gonna darken up the corners a little bit, just a teeny bit. I'm gonna use Matte 6, I believe, right here. Okay, it's looking a little funny, but we will make it work. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the powder off my face gently. Now I am going to go ahead and bronze my face and highlight. So I'm gonna highlight, bronze, and do blush. Then we will get the eyes going. So I use my Glowish by Huda Beauty. Okay guys, it's looking a little weird to me. I'm a little nervous, but we're gonna make it work, okay? I do see like, oof, it needs a little pampering. Now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. for the outer part, and I like to combine the inner part with that. For actually, you know what I really like? I'll say this. I really like the Huda Beauty one. Their eyeliner is so precise. The precision is perfection. I really recommend this. I'm telling you, Huda Beauty never fails. She never fails. I can't describe it. Like, that's why I'm such a huge fan of hers, because her products are just perfect. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and okay, so I'm gonna use a Too Faced one. I think the edge broke on that. Something like that. Nice, like a nice edged out part. I might straighten it out again. Let's see. Yeah, I might have to just even it out a teeny bit, and then I'm gonna do my other eye. It'll make sense. Okay, it's looking interesting so far, like a nice matte. It's looking pretty. I like it. I like it. So I'm gonna use Lily Lashes Miami Light. Forgive me makeup stains, but you guys, I have to just honestly say that I say this a lot, but I was on Lily Lashes' website yesterday. I was looking at her lashes and I was like, you know what? These are like the best lashes. I like it. I like how dramatic it is. It's just so glamorous. I really, really like Lily's eyelashes. I don't even know what to say. It's utter perfection. What else? So I'm gonna go ahead. Sorry, I'm just trying to find the place for this. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on right quick and do my lips after. And you know how this goes. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put my lashes on Miami Light. Now I need to tell you about my new favorite combo. I have been using the Patrick Star Point Made. This is made for your eyes, but I use it as a lip liner because I was desperate, and I combine it with the NYX Lingerie Push Up in After Hours. I'll show you, but hear me out. I've had the Too Faced, what is this? Too Faced birthday suit. This is like the most beautiful combination. I'll show you. And the Anastasia Sepia. I'll show you. It is so, this combo, I have a lot of makeup that I haven't touched. I don't know why. This is like a nice fall lip. It's not even fall. So I'm gonna go ahead and top it off with Sepia. If I can open Sepia. And then after I put that, I'm gonna go ahead and just get it ready and come back. I'm done, and I will judge the look. The eye look is really pretty. I think it went really well with the lashes as well. I love Lily Lashes. This is why I love Lily Lashes so much. It just gives it that pop, and I feel like my eyes are speaking louder than my whole face. And I like the eyes. I think eyes are important, so I try to make that the main point of my look. So I feel like everything is pretty nice. I think I could have been a little more easy on the lip pencil because I don't really like a dark lip. I could have gone a little lighter because I did it last time, but it wasn't on camera, but it was very mute and very pretty. Done it a little lighter on the lips for the lip liner using the Patrick Star one, but it's a great lip liner. I just was a little harsh. Other than that, when it comes to the eye look, utter perfection. I love it. I love the eyes. Like, it is just, it speaks. It's so pretty. Using the Makeup by Mario Master Mats, it is the best. If you just want a normal look, if you just want to be just a nice nude look, that is the palette for you. That is perfect, and I love it a lot. I had to get it. I was like, I know I could get these colors from my Huda palette, but I wanted to everything to be combined in one. So the Makeup by Mario Master Mats is perfection. It is so pretty. Like, it's just a nice brown smoky eye, perfect for date night, perfect for going out with your friends. It's just a nice, beautiful look. Everything is just meshing well together. It's gorgeous. This is more like a fall look. Isn't it almost springtime? Like, it's winter still, but it's 6 more weeks of winter. So this is very pretty. I mean, you know what I was thinking too? I could use a new hair look. I need to do my hair. I don't want to straighten it because it does cause damage, but I haven't straightened it for so long. But I want to like get a nice messy bun because I'm a bun girl. I mean, my bun is pretty decent. It's not bad, but I could use a new hairdo. I'm not gonna lie. But I don't want to straighten my hair because it damages it. My hair's pretty long, so this is looking really nice. This is looking really nice. And I hope you're doing well. And I will link all my other social media platforms right here. I miss you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. And I will definitely see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.